Hi, today I'm going to show you how I use the Ellie app in speech and language therapy. This app was created to work on fine motor control, but I typically use it to address cause and effect and early language skills. So I'm going to start us out on the menu, and here we have a few different controls. If you press the rotating arrows, that indicates the task repeating over and over. If you press the X, that task will not appear in the activity. And when you press play, it will play the selected task and the ones following. So now I'm going to show you how you use the app.
This is a girl called Ellie. She keeps discovering things and exploring what's behind doors. Hi, Ellie.
So this is a great time to work on greetings. Hi, Ellie.
Open the door and find out together with Ellie what's behind it.
So at this point, she's asking us to open the door. So depending on
Open the door.
We might use AAC. So in this case, I have pulled up LAMP Words for Life. I do have a Bluetooth mouse attached to my iPad so that I can more clearly model. So I show how to say open. Look, it's a verb, it's green. Let's open the door. And then I can return and open the door.
Touch the door.
The teaching
open
part. I'm opening. Let's see what's behind the door. So in
Ellie lost the ball.
We're trying
Where is it?
Identification. Now at this point, I ask the parents to indicate whether the child is correct.
Try to touch
the apple.
But this isn't a ball. Try again. Where is the ball?
So they try again, and if they're correct, their parent can nod.
Touch. Great, this is the ball.
Now, because this is an app that I'm sharing via AirPlay, the client is unable to control the screen. I actually prefer that because the parents must be involved and they have to indicate whether the child is pressing buttons. I can see if they are signing, and I can hear if they're using their device or speaking. So we can continue through the activities.
Hooray! That was a good job.
In person, I would have the child touch it.
Find out what's behind the door. Open it.
At this point, we have another door. Depending on the client, I might just wait and see if they remember how to say open in sign language with their words or with their communication device. If they have not requested, I might prompt and say, remember, we need to open the door, and work with them to request.
Open the door.
If they touch it on their end and their parent lets me know, then I can open and show them, good job, we opened the door. So there's another.
Ellie wants to eat a banana. Where is the banana? Touch the banana.
I just click it for them. I don't have to test all the time.
Great! This is the banana. Eat the banana with Ellie. Yum! Yum! Yummy! It's delicious. What's behind the door? Open the door.
So in the top left, I've just held down the circle right up here where the arrow is. If you hold that down for a couple seconds, it brings you back to the task overview. At that time, you can choose a specific task. You can even click the arrows at the top of the task to indicate that you'd like to repeat that activity over and over. So I'll show you what that looks like.
Mommy is happy. Ellie is sad. Stroke Ellie.
So now we are talking about emotions. We have happy and sad, and I may also go back to
touch Ellie
device and model those feelings. So on lamp, oh no, guess what? She said that Ellie feels sad. I feel sad when I don't get my favorite snack. What makes you feel sad?
Sad.
And it's great for extension activities. Then I return to the app, work with the child to identify Ellie, and when we click
touch Ellie.
She's not gonna be sad. She's happy.
Good job. This is Ellie. Great. Ellie is happy.
So I'm holding down that button, returning to the task overview, and at that point I can choose whichever activity or whatever terms I'd like to target and continue with the app. Those are just a few of the ways that I use the Ellie app to work on cause and effect and early language skills. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.